Welcome to Time Out.
Hi, welcome to Time Out Season 3.
And this season we're doing snacks and ladders. Snacks and ladders.
Yes, because these are snacks for moms to make for kids to take to school, right, Daria?
Yeah.
Yes, and this is a nice recipe to make. It takes a little longer than usual, but at the end it only takes 3 to 4 minutes to cook. So shall we go ahead and try it?
Yeah.
This is called FRITTORITO. It is a take on a sweet corn fritter. So we're gonna call it FRITTORITO.
FRITTORITO. And the ingredients are plain flour, baking powder, milk, eggs, sweet corn and salt.
Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take 3/4 cup of plain flour. So let's fill this up to 3/4 cup. Come on, fill this up till you reach this part of the cup. Yes. Keep going.
What do you mean?
Yes. Wow. Okay, Daria, now that we've put the flour in, we gotta do half a teaspoon. So this is, see, this one is half a teaspoon. You need to put a level half teaspoon of baking powder in there.
Okay. Like this.
No, level. So what level means is that you tap, see, you tap till it's 1 level spoon. See? Okay, now you put it in there. Good job.
Can I see one of these ones?
Okay, Daria, now for the fun part, we have to put it in the siever.
Okay.
So pour this in here, the whole thing. And we have to,
Tap, tap.
yes, come on, tap. No, like this with your hand. Here, look, tap.
Can I do it?
Yes, see. Look, you need to do it hard. Tap. So that process was called sieving. Okay? Now that we've sieved the flour and the baking soda, let's go ahead and put half a cup of milk in because this is heavy. Mama is gonna do it. Alright, Daria, now I need you to mix. Mix. Careful. Don't make it fall. Just kind of turn it like this.
It looks like snow.
Yeah.
Melting.
Okay, Daria, I need you to grab
Mama,
an
can
egg.
I take this out?
Oh, don't worry about that. Here. Break an egg. Tap. No. Tap. Yes. Over. Good job. Okay, Daria, let's continue mixing.
It's getting smoother and smoother.
Alright, Daria, and the last thing is a pinch of salt.
Can I do it?
Yes, you can pinch the salt. Here, like this. Pick it up with your hand. A small pinch. I forgot your pinch and my pinch is a big difference.
I want to do it even bigger.
Okay, you do one small. There you go. Good job, Daria. Okay, Daria, the last bit of mixing. Come on. Move the corn in place. So in this recipe, you can use all sorts of different things. Sweet corn as well, yes, but you can use chives, you can use spring onions. If you're making it for adults, you can add a little bit of green chilies. It all depends on what you like. But because I'm making it for Daria and she likes it simple, I just put in sweet corn.
I love sweet.
All right, it's ready. So now that the batter's ready, we're gonna go and fry them up in little dollops, and then we're gonna come back with a nice plate of sweet corn fritters. Frittorito!
Okay, Mama.
All right, let's go. Try some?
Yes.
I put these cute mushrooms on top just for you. So I'm gonna remove these. Okay, Daria, now that I've removed these, let's go ahead and cut into it, okay?
Okay.
So let me cut a bite for you. Here, try some.
Yeah.
Yeah, small bite. Your thumbs have gone up already? Do you like it? So basically this recipe is filling because it has flour in it, of course, and your egg, sweet corn, and you know, if you have people over and you need something really quick as a small snack, you can make them in smaller versions. Stick little toothpicks and add some chives, spring onions, bell peppers, whatever you'd like, and just kind of pep it up. And a little bit of chili sauce on the side if you need it for adults. If not, with kids you can give it with ketchup. If you don't allow ketchup in your house, then you can just serve it up like this or add sausages to it as well to kind of give it that little bit of kick if you need the protein. Alright, that's all the time we have for today. Bye!
Please subscribe.